Welcome to Open Studios and Hospitality's Kitchen. Did you ever read an article that you like so much you just wish you'd written it, or an article that meshed with your ideas so much you wish you'd said it that way? That happens to me, and when it does, I sometimes copyright over it, and it's called copywriting. That's right. It's a way to blend your ideas together with another author's work. Another way I do it is I take the article, now we got some here in a retirement publication, and I like that idea so much, but I don't want to retire being an artist. And so instead I'll tear up the article, and I'll take the paper in little bits, tear up the paper in little bits. And because I'm in the arts, and this isn't very good paper that they print on, I'll take one of my artworks, maybe one that didn't turn out very well, and I'll tear that up, because this is rag paper. I'll tear that up in little bits. Then I'll take those little bits and I'll put them in a blender like that, add some water, and I'll blend it. This kind of blends the two together, you see. Now that has to blend for quite a while. If you know anything about hand paper making, you know that's one of the ways that you can make your paper pulp. If you don't know much about hand paper making, then I suggest you get this videotape called Papermaking with Lawrence Barker. You can get that through minidemo.com. Well, I'm Dusty Cann. I hope you enjoyed your visit here to Open Studios and Hospitality's Kitchen. Goodbye.